I want to give you instruction to install a printer on a computer. A printer is the hardware device used to print document, picture or report for your computer. There are four main steps to install. First, connect the print to the computer using a USB cable or Wi-Fi connection. The second, turn on the printer and your computer to let the system detect the new device. Third, into the printer driver by using the CD that comes with the printer or by downloading it for your official website. For open control panels, select device and printer and set the new printer is a default. You should check that the printer that has enough ink and paper before printing. Also, avoid unplugging the printer during install to prefer connected Android. After that step, your printer will be ready to use. Thank you very much for learning. And yeah.